Come test drive the 2022 X7. The BMW X7 is sure to excite those looking for a full-size BMW SUV. Third-row seating, coupled with the latest technology and upscale interior features, make this a must-see for anyone looking for a luxury SUV vehicle. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, roll stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.